Hi ladies, I hope everything is going well. For this lesson, I want to talk about farming systems. Now, farming systems, it's basically just a model of what's going on in a farm. Okay, so this is on page 21 of your textbooks. Now, on this diagram that we have in front of us here, we have inputs over here on the left-hand side. And these things here, the fertilizers, animals, labor, plant seeds, they're all inputs. Now, they get turned into outputs. Okay? Now, they get turned into outputs by the way of a process. So, a process is something like digestion or photosynthesis. Okay? Now, so we have inputs being turned into outputs by processes. Now, those processes are a part of different enterprises. Okay, so in our diagram here, we have a sheep meat enterprise, we have a dairy enterprise, we have, what else do we have? We have a summer paddock for pasture, and we have a cropping enterprises as well. Another thing to note is that we have boundaries. We have physical boundaries around different parts of our farms, and that acts as boundaries for our processes also. So we have inputs, processes, outputs. I hope that makes sense. One thing I forgot to mention is the management subsystem. Okay, now the management subsystem is made up of the farmer and the decisions that the farmer's making. Now the farmer will be taking observations from the different enterprises and then will be changing what they're doing to manage those subsystems. So we have a management subsystem which is looking and learning and then making decisions based on what they're seeing.